How to see your card number on Bank of America app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, let's find out if you are able to see your card number on Bank of America app. For this, you want to open the Bank of America app on your device. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now search for Bank of America app, then tap on the install button and have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap it open. Now you want to log into your account, so go ahead and enter your user ID and password and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to head over to your account details. There, you want to tap on the view card option. Now you want to tap on the card to view the card details. Now when you tap on the card details, you will see that only the last 4 digits of your card number in the app is visible. So you're not able to view the entire digits of your card number, but only the 4 digits. Now, there are a couple of reasons behind this. The first one is to prevent fraud. Displaying only the last 4 digits help prevent unauthorized access to your full card number. Even if someone gains access to your mobile app or online banking, they won't see the full card details, which makes it harder for them to use your card to the fraudulent transaction. It will also limit exposure in case of breach. If your account information were ever compromised, limiting access to the last 4 digits of your card number can reduce risk of fraud and identity theft. Because of these reasons, you're only able to see the last 4 digits of card number. If you want to see the full digits, you will have to check your physical card. You can also contact the customer support or visit any branch of the bank to get more details about your card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.